Do you have rusted bolts? Pfft, of course you do. That's why you're here. Everyone has had their fair share of run-ins with those pesky rusted out bolts that either strip or break away. So stick around and I'll show you how to put an end to rust for good. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As I said, we're going to be solving the rusted bolt issue that everybody runs into, whether you're working on a car, truck, SUV, or even stuff around your house. And do you want to know the best part? Is that you can spend less than 30 bucks and you can solve the rusted bolt issue. And you want to know the second best part? Is that everything is linked in the description below. So all you have to do is click, click, click. We've done all the work for you, so you don't have to.
Hey, you watching the video. We noticed that a lot of you guys aren't subscribing, so do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.
And here are the three products you're going to need. You're going to need some blue thread locker, you're going to need some anti-seize, and you're going to need an oil-based paint marker. All three of these products are linked in the description below, all for less than 30 bucks. And the process is very simple. The first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to put anti-seize or thread locker on the bolt threads depending on the application. Now I'm going to be using my coil pack bolts, so I want to be able to remove these later on. So I'm going to use the anti-seize to prevent the rust from forming and making it more difficult for me to remove later. As you can see right here, I've already had a bolt that rusted out. So eventually I'm going to have to remove this bolt. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and replace every other coil pack bolt with new bolts. I'm going to apply anti-seize to them so I can remove them later, and also paint the head of the bolt after I install them to ensure that they don't rust out and then start stripping when I try to remove them later on. And this process is so simple. Remove your bolts. If there's rust on your bolts, make sure you use a wire wheel or a wire brush to remove that rust. Go ahead and apply your anti-seize or your thread locker depending on which bolts you're removing. Make sure you work the anti-seize or the thread locker into the threads so that you know you have full coverage. Then reinstall your bolt, torque it down to the manufacturer's specification, and finally, go ahead and paint the bolt head. Obviously, this is a great idea because if the head of the bolt rusts out, then you're probably going to end up stripping it trying to remove it later. So this is another preventative measure to make life easier on you if you have to remove the bolt head again.
All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content from Trick Shift Garage. See you on the next one.